Hello friends, I hope everyone is doing well. So in today's video, we will be analyzing about the market and how the Nifty, Bank Nifty is looking. And हम sectors के बारे में भी discuss करेंगे. And after that, we will be checking some stocks that is looking good for short term or for investment purpose. So we will discuss everything. So stay tuned and watch this video till end. So let's start. So first, we will be doing a Nifty analysis, and यहाँ पे I have drawn a simple blue line, which is the support line for Nifty. अगर अभी यहाँ पे जैसे देख रहे हो, so यहाँ पे एक support जाता है, then यहाँ पे it was a good support for Nifty. यहाँ पे again it was a support, and currently it is trading near the support region. So one chance can be for Nifty can be यहाँ पे support लेके Nifty might bounce back ऊपर के side, or else another chance will be Nifty will break this support and go down. So the crucial level to watch here is 18,000, which is the support line as well, and psychological support level as well, which is around figure. तो हम 18,000 का लेवल जो है वो सपोर्ट लेवल के लिए हम ट्रेड करेंगे. What one can do is अभी के लिए one can initiate some longs in market with the stop loss of 18,000, and if Nifty closes below 18,000 on the closing basis, तो हमारा जितने भी longs थे short term के लिए we might exit those position. And इसके बाद other than this, अगर हम normally ये support line भी break हटा दे, and then we just see the retest part. तो यहाँ पे जैसे कि हम देख रहे हैं, so the yellow line was the resistance for Nifty. यहाँ पे इसके देख करके it went up. यहाँ पे अगर हम देखे analyze करें तो अभी ये retest कर रहा है basically Nifty. And one more important thing to note is यहाँ पे जो लास्ट के दो कैंडल्स है, यहाँ पे आपको विक्स ज्यादा दिखेगा ऑन द डाउनसाइड, व्हिच मींस कि यहाँ पे डिमांड अवेलेबल है फॉर निफ्टी. ऐसा हो सकता है कि निफ्टी माइट रिटेस्ट दिस और निफ्टी सपोर्ट नियर, जो कि ऑलरेडी इट हैड मेड अ लो ऑफ अराउंड 18,030. सो मोटा मोटी it is near support region, and what one can do is can initiate based on this retestment. And other thing is, जो हम लोग गैप्स की बात करते हैं, गैप फिलिंग थियरी की बात करते हैं मार्केट. सो अगर हम गैप यहाँ पे प्लॉट करें, so there was the one gap here, there was second gap here, and there was a third gap here. तो ये the gap is basically जो last previous day का जो high है and जो next day का low है, it is the gap region for Nifty. and अगर हम देखें तो ये लास्ट के जो चार कैंडल्स है, इसने जो रिसेंट के सारे गैप्स फिल कर दिए हैं करंटली. तो दिस इज अ गुड साइन फॉर मार्केट. एंड इट इज नॉट नेसेसरी कि हर गैप निफ्टी विल फिल. इट्स नॉट it's not necessary कि हर gap will be filled by market like the five by stocks or Nifty. It's not necessary, but yes, if gap filling is happening, then it is a good sign for bulls, because after the completion of the gap filling, we might the trend might resume, जो कि already uptrend है वो continue रहेगा for Nifty, and we can see higher level as well. So just stay on buy on dips position, accumulate good stock. And one bonus tip is, although Nifty is hardly down by so Nifty is hardly down by 3%, but अगर हम quality mid cap small cap stocks देखें, so they are down by 10, 20, 30%. If you pick any stock, तो वो सारे down है. It is not कि market तो सिर्फ थोड़ा ही down है. So just look for opportunity. आपको मार्केट नहीं गिरता हुआ दिखेगा, यू वोंट सी मार्केट क्रैशिंग, बट जो स्टॉक्स में काम हो रहा है, जो स्टॉक स्पेसिफिक काम हो रहा है, इन दैट करेक्शन इज हैपनिंग. एंड वो भी ऑलमोस्ट कंप्लीट हो गया बेस्ड ऑन सम चार्ट पैटर्न. जैसे कि हम थोड़े चार्ट डिस्कस करेंगे अबाउट दोस करेक्शन एंड ऑल, तो हम अभी सब्सिक्वेंट वीडियो में भी डिस्कस करेंगे उसके बारे में. सो आई वी विल डिस्कस सम स्टॉक एज वेल. तो हम तभी बताते हैं कि मतलब कितना करेक्शन हो चुका है, एंड हाउ मच कैन वी सी अपसाइड और नॉट. सो जस्ट चेक चार्ट की कोई चार्ट पे कोई रिटेस्ट हो रहा है, या फिर टू द सपोर्ट रीजन, या फिर कोई रिटेस्ट कर रहा है टू द पहले ब्रेकआउट रीजन पे था उसको रिटेस्ट कर रहा है, या कोई ट्रेंड लाइन के सपोर्ट लेवल पे है, या फिबोनाची रिट्रेसमेंट के लेवल पे है. सो जस्ट चेक सम स्टॉक चार्ट जो कि फंडामेंटली गुड कंपनी से, and if they are trading at support level या कुछ support level में trade कर रहा है, then just go and grab those particular stock, because if you look at overall market, then you won't see a big correction. But yeah, stock specific में there is a good correction. थोड़ा बहुत correction हुआ है, 10, 20, 30% के आसपास correction हुआ है, and even portfolio is down. So you can check those things, and you can keep accumulating stock as well, because you won't get such opportunities frequently. And some famous person has said that this is a big billion day, or this is a Diwali sale. So focus on that, and we will be discussing some stock as well. So and you can stay tuned with the video. So now we will be discussing about Nifty Bank. So I was talking about Nifty Bank. तो हम पहले से बता रहे थे कि Nifty Bank index से Nifty Financial Service Index से it is comparatively stronger than Nifty. And I have said it many times on the Twitter and Telegram group. So अभी भी हम देखें तो Nifty down है, but Nifty Bank is still trading at all time high level, and it is making new high daily. तो Nifty Bank is little stronger. And हमने ये breakout पे यहाँ पे इसको discuss किया था कि this about the breakout. So यहाँ पे based on the breakout we had given a target of around 45,000 के आसपास हमने target दिया था. तो अभी currently जो Bank Nifty है it is almost 300 points, 3,000 points above the breakout region, which is roughly around 20% rally from the breakout region. So you can see Bank Nifty as well, but there is no pattern or trend. It is relatively stronger, and just keep a watch on some banking stock as well, PSU banks or private banks. You will see get a good returns there as well in short term. So you can आप लोग उस पर भी focus कर सकते हो for banking stock, because banking sector is relatively bullish compared to the Nifty. So you can check that as well. अगर हम अभी sector rotation sheet की बात करेंगे तो the sectors that are bullish is Nifty Auto, Nifty Bank, Nifty Energy, Metal, PSC and PSU Bank. These sectors are bullish, and इसमें अगर हम देखें तो Nifty Energy is strong buy, which is a good positional buy for a short term. So you can focus on these sectors and stock. अगर कोई stock में अच्छा sector बन रहा है या कुछ trading opportunity है, then you can share this at on our Twitter handle so that we can all check that and review it as well. So all these sectors can be tracked by you for the swing trade or positional trade. So let's start with the stock analysis now. And the first stock is Laurus Lab. इसका चार्ट हमने फ्राइडे को भी शेयर किया था ऑन द ट्विटर. एंड अगर हम देखें इसमें तो देयर इज अ सपोर्ट, गुड सपोर्ट रीजन इन Laurus Lab. देयर आर मल्टीपल गुड सपोर्ट आई वुड से. सो पहला जो हमने अभी ड्रॉ किया था कि जो फिबोनाची रिट्रेसमेंट है फ्रॉम दिस लो टू दिस हाई. तो अभी जो पहला सपोर्ट Laurus Lab को अवेलेबल है, इट इज एट 50% रिट्रेसमेंट, विच इज एट अराउंड 528.9 लेवल. एंड अगर हम देखें तो यहाँ पे इसने एग्जैक्टली वीक बनाया भी है. So this is a good sign. And another thing to look is the volumes. तो यहाँ पे support level पे there was a good volume. यहाँ पर volumes इतना high है कि possibly जो डाउन ट्रेंड है it might come to an end soon, and we might see it might resume uptrend या uptrend शुरू भी कर सकता है. So one can track Laurus Lab. If we see the moving average setup in this, तो हम वो भी देख लेते हैं अभी. I have मतलब 200 EMA का मूविंग एवरेज आई हैव एडेड. तो अभी यहाँ पे जैसे कि देख लो 200 का EMA का मूविंग एवरेज also so this is also a good sign for Laurus Lab. So one can track Laurus Lab for short term. The one can buy at the current price, which is 536. The stop loss will be at 515, and the target will be 600 plus for short term. And we might see higher levels as well, and we might trade a stop loss in this. So one can track Laurus. The second stock is Tata Steels. So Tata Steel, the first, so this was the breakout in Tata Steel. जैसे कि आप यहाँ पे देख रहे हो, यहाँ पे ब्रेकआउट दिया था टाटा स्टील ने अबाउट द ऑल टाइम हाई लेवल रेजिस्टेंस, एंड इट हैड फॉर्म अ राउंडेड बॉटम पैटर्न बेसिकली. इसके बाद जब टाटा स्टील ने ब्रेकआउट दिया, इट हैड गिवन अ गुड रैली. यहाँ पे इसने वापस रीटेस्ट किया था, एंड यहाँ पे हमने इसको बाय करके वी हैव सोल्ड इट एट अराउंड 1400. सो अभी नाउ अगर हम देखें इसको तो देयर इज आल्सो अ रीटेस्ट गोइंग ऑन करंटली. सो अभी अगर इसको हम अभी देखें तो देयर इज आल्सो रीटेस्ट गोइंग ऑन, एंड possibly it might retest to around 1246 level. So one can add Tata Steel on in short term on dips, and the buying price would be at around 1296, and one can look to add this for short term as well on the 12:30 and जो target रहेगा वो 14:20 का रहेगा. Other than this, इसका result भी I guess it is on very near, so we might see a good move as well. So keep tight stop losses in this because it can be volatile, and so that's it. And keep tight stop losses and wait for target or the stop loss to get hit. So one can keep Tata Steel watch list as well for short term. The last stock is TCS, which is a popular IT company, large cap IT company. So here जैसे कि आप यहाँ पे देख रहे हो, this was the blue line was the resistance for TCS. यहाँ पे इसने resist किया था, then again it resisted here. यहाँ पे it gave a good breakout. इसके बाद the stock had rallied from around 3400 to from 3400 to 4000 level. And अभी अगर देखें तो it is now retesting the support or the resistance line. जो पहले resistance line था उसको retest कर रहा है currently. So for investor or for positional trader or possibly for swing trader as well, it is a good setup to go with for short term. The company is also good. And अगर हम यहाँ पे देखें तो ये retest कर रहे हैं, it is giving a low risk buying opportunity for short term traders and for investor as well. So one can track TCS as well, and the buying price would be at around 3500, and one can look to add this on dips as well. The stop loss will be 3100, which is this candle low. ये वाला कैंडल का लो है, and I have rounded it off to 3100 just to give some buffer. And your target रहेगा, it will be the all-time high level, which is 4000 level in this. So and above that you will trail our stop loss. So one can track TCS as well for the upcoming weeks. So this is all about the today's market analysis video and also stock analysis. If you have anything video, अगर आपको इस वीडियो से कुछ सीखने भी मिला हो, then you can like this video. And don't forget to subscribe our channel because it is the only source of motivation for us to create more videos. And also do like the video as well. You can check the previous videos as well for learning. You can track all this video. Other than this, you can follow us on Twitter and Telegram. These are the IDs. And also, there's a disclaimer with this video. Thank you, guys.